Hi all, just a quick video here to show you what's involved in setting up an account in Joinable. It's free, it takes 1 minute, and if you have any questions about how the setup is, feel free to ask us, but also just set up an account and you'll get instant access to the dashboard and all the features already, so you can just start taking a look around, and from that point we're more than happy to jump on a call and maybe do a demo and show you through, and you might have different functionality that you need worked into your membership. So first things first, just create an account. Let's do that in the next 10 seconds. So clicking on the Get Started tab, anywhere on the website, and all you need to do is put in an email address, and just pick an email address that maybe is one you want to use for organization that is a shared inbox that people can have access to. But this will just be used as a username. So make sure you use this something from your company or organization. Pop in a password that you're happy to share with people from within your space, and that's it. Click through. It'll send an email to you as well, just with a confirmation of your sign up, but more importantly, just click the next button here and you can have direct access to the dashboard. If you have any questions once you're in, do let us know. There's plenty of other videos on how to use every little bit as part of Joinable, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.